For if anyone is a hearer of the word and not a doer, he is like a man who looks intently at his natural face in a mirror, for he looks at himself and goes away, and at once forgets what he was like. But the one who looks into the perfect law, the law of liberty, and perseveres, being no hearer who forgets, but a doer who acts, he will be blessed in his doing. James 1, verse 23 to 25. We see here an analogy of a man who looks at his face in a mirror and does nothing about it. We see a contrast between hearer only and a doer who acts. The hearer is someone who looks intently at his face in a mirror and forgets what he was like. But when it comes to the doer, James does not waste words telling what a doer does when he looks at that mirror. Instead, he directly gets to the point of his analogy in verse 25, telling that the doer is one who looks into the law, which is the mirror of God's word, and acts. God's word reflects our moral being and not our physical being. When we look at the law of God and His glory, we see our sin, our failures, and our shortcomings. But are we doers who act, making those necessary corrections, or are we just going to look intently, as described here, about the hearer only, and forget what we just looked at? Have a blessed day.